Good day everyone. Now we will talk about exponential functions, equations, and inequalities. But before we start, let me tell you what is exponential function is. It is a function involving exponential expression. When we say exponential expression, it is a variable involving exponent. Showing a relationship between the independent variable x and the dependent variable y, or f of x. Example of which are f of x is equals to 2 raised to x plus 3. As you can see, we have f of x indicating we have function, then exponential equation since our variable is in the exponent. Another example is y is equals to 10 raised to 2x. Variable is in the exponent means it is an exponential equation. On the other hand, an exponential equation is an equation who uses equals, involving expression that can be solved for all x values satisfying the equation. For instance, 121 is equals to 11 raised to x. Since 11 raised to x is an exponential equation, means this equation is an example of exponential equation. And 3 raised to x is equals to 9 raised to x minus 2. Both sides are exponential equation. Therefore, this example is an exponential equation. Lastly, an exponential inequality. When we say inequality, it is the one who uses greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, involving exponential expression that can be solved for all x values. For example, 64 raised to 1/3 greater than, indicating that we have an inequality. The 2 raised to x is an example of exponential expression. So that means our inequality is exponential inequality. And last, we have 0.9 raised to x greater than 0.81. So here, 0.9 raised to x is our exponential equation. Then we have inequality, so that means this is an example of exponential inequality. This time, let's classify each as to whether it is an exponential function, equation, inequality, or does not belong to any of these three. Now that you already know about this topic, it is your turn to answer this following. You can use EF for exponential function, EE for exponential equation, EI for exponential inequality, and D and B for does not belong.